guys, welcome to this week's episode of Runway. This week I'm here with Bally Solmol at her non-surgical body clinic in Birmingham. Hi Bal, how are you?
Hi there, hi Remy, okay?
Yes, very well, thank you. Thank you for coming to the show. It's a pleasure having you here today.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about your clinic, because you've only been here for 2 weeks, right?
That's correct, yes.
So what do you do here?
We do non-invasive lipo treatments. We also do teeth whitening, 7-day weight loss programs.
Okay.
We do reflexology, foot massages with polish and scrub.
Okay.
We do diet plans, nutrition plans, and then we do waxing, normal beauty salon.
And facials and massages and stuff.
Oh yes, I forgot about massage.
So tell us a little bit about the lipo. What did you call it? You said
it's non-invasive cavitation lipo.
Okay, how does that work?
It's radio frequency,
Okay.
which penetrates into your fat layers and then it melts it down.
It melts it down into an oil or?
It's like having to have a block of ice,
Yeah.
which is built over the years, which is fat cells built over the years, which we're going to penetrate with this radio frequency for it to melt down.
Mm-hmm.
Once it melts down, it goes flat into a liquidation and then we urinate it out.
Okay, so it actually passes out.
Yeah, it passes out. You go to the toilet a bit more frequently.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that you get diarrhea or anything, but you do feel that you've had some kind of treatment done that your body's kind of adjusting to.
And is this like an instant inch loss?
It is. It's an instant inch loss. So it's very effective, but you do need to kind of look after the fact that if you're going to have this treatment done, you do need to check on your diets as well. You can't have a treatment done then expect to go eat on a big meal and then
Go to McDonald's straight after.
No, you can't do that.
So I guess it's a whole lifestyle kind of.
I would suggest
change.
people, if people are going for this treatment, they're going through it because weight loss, they want to lose weight, they want to shape up. So I would suggest go for the 7-day program where I do the 2 lipo treatments, I give body wraps, and then we do 7 days personal fitness training.
Okay.
And then along with that, we do a diet plan.
Okay.
And then through the diet plan, obviously you can stick to it and then you will see major weight loss at the end of the 7 days.
So would you say this is a good treatment for people that want to lose weight that are overweight, or people that just want to lose like tone up and just kind of
it's definitely
look good for their wedding day, for example?
It's definitely effective if you want to lose weight and you want to shape up, you want to fit into maybe a bridal lehenga or something, and you're going to a party. But if it's a long-term something that you want, then you do need to stick to a diet plan with fitness and then having to lipo treatments and then having body wraps, because then it will all work as a combined thing for you to lose weight.
Because I guess it's not a short-term fix, because you can come in here and lose the weight, but then you would put it on straight away if you just go out and carry on eating unhealthy.
Eating, yeah, you have to
not
stick
exercising.
to it. No.
So tell us a little bit about the diet plan then. You say you do a 7-day diet plan afterwards.
No, we do the diet plan on the day that you enroll yourself with this 7-day program.
Right, okay.
So from the day you start, you do need to stick to that diet plan. Then we do the lipo treatments, then we do the body wraps, and then along with the personal fitness training, 7 days, you will obviously see major changes because you've stuck to something that's totally different to your normal day-to-day routine. So it will work. Definitely, we've seen people lose weight and stuff.
Yeah. And how much weight do people tend to lose on average?
It's how good you're going to be with your diet, really, because the lipo is definitely going to lose an inch off.
Okay.
And if you're going for 2 treatments, you're definitely going to shape up. And then you've got the body wraps. Body wraps are a very, very active ingredient. You wrap them around and it's immediate effect again. And then if you're having 3 of them, you're definitely shaping up because you've got the lipo, you've got the wraps, and then you've got the personal fitness 7 days, and then you've got your diet plan to stick to. You're definitely going to lose weight.
So would the person need to take a whole week off?
Yeah,
Work or come here every day? Or?
Definitely you need to come here every day, but then that means you can come in for an hour. The treatment of cavitation lipo is only 30-minute treatment, so you can always come 30 minutes and then body wraps. Once I've done your 1 wrap, you can take the 2 home. So it's not like something you need to stick to coming to the clinic. You can do it in your own home time as well.
So is it like a body wrap? Because I've seen this kind of body wraps on TV where they kind of wrap themselves up in those foils and they're sweating and stuff. So how does this one work?
No, it's nothing like that. It's a very active ingredient, very powerful. There are a lot of substitute wraps around. You can obviously pick up a lot on the eBay as well, but this is nothing as such. They really, really work. You just stick it on. You don't need to put any cling film or anything such on. It just sticks onto your body. You do feel again that you've got something going and happening in your body. You can feel the changes. All you need to do is drink plenty of water.
Right, okay, just keep yourself hydrated.
Yeah, all the time, yeah. I usually sometimes put it on, and then I just do my normal day-to-day routine, go to the gym, here, be at the clinic. So it's something that I'm regularly, you know, just making sure I'm hydrated all the time.
Because people are quite scared of drinking water. Everyone I've met that's overweight always says, I'm scared of drinking water because I don't want to put on water weight. But that's actually not true.
No, it's not true. Yeah, you know, you can feel bloated. That's if you're drinking really excessive amount of water.
Yeah.
But 6 to 8 cups a day cannot harm you.
No, and it's so important. It's actually important to lose weight, isn't it?
It is.
But people don't normally realise how important it is.
Definitely. I'm here to motivate people. I don't want just people young age coming. I want people like mum and dad's age.
Yeah.
I want them to get out, you know, feel that appearance is everything. And then when you're active, when you're feeling fit, you want to, you know, you want to be out and about. You want to do things. And certainly I would say, you know, getting up and being fit is one of the best things that you can do. You don't want to rely on anybody else. You know, there's a lot of people who are overweight and they're unable to do anything, and they're depending on other people, family members. So I do definitely want to promote the fact that being fit, being healthy is one of the best things that you can do.
Definitely, it's life-changing.
It's definitely, health is wealth.
Yeah.
And
very true.
yeah, so lipo is definitely good, but that's if you just want to shape up. So,
and I love the fact that you're offering the whole kind of package, really. You're offering the after kind of care as well. So they know what to do once they're left. They've got the fitness treatments, they've got the diet plan, and a few of the wraps.
Yeah, correct. And it's something that you're going to maybe, if you're definitely adamant that you want to, you know, look fit, you want to be, you know, with it, then definitely carry on with it, because the diet plan's there forever. You can just stick to your diet. I'm not telling you to change your diet when I make a diet plan. It's all according to what you eat. It's how you eat it, when you eat it. Along with obviously drinking a lot of fluids, cutting down on coffee, tea, fizzy drinks, alcohol, you know, excessive amounts of sugar intake. So I'm just recommending good diet, healthy, balanced diet with a lot of minerals, calcium, protein, bit of everything in this day-to-day diet.
That's brilliant. And you also help people that are vegetarian as well as meat eaters and stuff. You
Yeah,
can
of
change
course,
the diet plan for them and stuff. So it's perfect time of year for this kind of thing.
Brilliant,
I think.
yeah.
It's the beginning of the year.
It is.
So also tell us a little bit about your teeth whitening, because you also do that as well.
We do, yeah. Our products are non-peroxide product, which means it's not a bleaching product, and it will not you know, make any changes or effect with your tooth enamel. So it will be very effective. You're not going to have any stains remaining, or you're not going to have the product going into your enamel for it to be, you know, giving you colour patches. It's very active, it's very good, and it just takes, you know, the dirt layer off, and then it keeps it clean. But again, I would say, you know, it's something that you need to continuously do. You can't just have a treatment done and then think, right, that's it, I'm all clean, and then you're not going to have a treatment again. You need to maintain, you know, having looking white teeth.
Oh really? So you'd have to come regularly to get
I'd
them
say
done.
4 times a year.
Okay.
Yeah, it's something that, you know, you want to keep up with.
Yeah, that's a reasonable amount.
Of course,
You're not coming back every month then.
No,
I guess.
no.
I've heard so many scary stories about teeth whitening. People that go to those kind of booths in shopping centres and stuff like that, and they've had really bad experiences. They're like £99 to get your teeth whitened, and their enamel's all ruined afterwards. What would you say about that?
No, it's nothing like that. This product, we've done a lot of research behind where the product comes from, who's, you know, the actual manufacturers of the product. So like I said, it's non-bleaching product. What we do here on the high streets, there are a lot of mixed products, substitute products. This is nothing as such. It's a very good active product. So it's something that every one person needs to try. It's a laser treatment after all, so it is very effective.
And you need to come to someone who's certified. You can't
Of course,
go to anyone. People buy so much teeth whitening stuff from the internet and stuff nowadays, and they don't work.
No, of course not.
You just don't know what kind of damage you're doing, so it's best to come to a clinic that's actually certified, isn't it?
Exactly, yeah.
So you also do massages.
Do massages. We've got 2 qualified masseuses. One's from Czech Republic. He's been working for 10 years in this field, and I have a lady, again, she's been working in this field for a long time. So yeah, they're pretty great.
And then you waxing.
Yeah, we've got waxing, threading,
facials.
Yeah, I do all the facial treatments. The good thing about the facial treatments is they're all made on the day, so they're not things that are squashed from bottles or, you know, shelving products. They're all actually very good products because it's all natural ingredients. So you've most probably heard of sandal. Have you heard of bentonite clay?
Oh yes, I have actually.
So,
yeah, I've got. You mix it with apple cider vinegar.
Yeah. Or you can just mix it with water. You apply it. So I've got good stuff.
That's supposed to be amazing.
It
actually.
is,
I
yeah.
bought a jar ages ago, but I haven't actually got around to using it. But it's supposed to be amazing. So you use that kind of stuff.
I do, yeah. So everything that I would do would be according to what kind of treatment you want. So if it's your dark circles, pigmentation, anti-aging treatment, whatever you want, there's a source for everything. So rather than having pouches or bottles, I've got all remedies here.
Fresh ingredients. People don't realise actually some of these products, when you go get a facial done, they've been sitting there for months and the ingredients aren't even active. And
sometimes it's only a little extract that they put in these bottles. Here we've got everything fresh, I do fruit massages. When I mean fruit massage, I actually get the fruit and it's right on your face.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
I might have to come back for one myself actually. Now you're going to be doing 2 demonstrations for us after the break, aren't you?
Yes, we are.
Which ones are you going to be doing?
We're going to show you how lipo treatment works, and then we're going to see, we'll do a demo on teeth whitening. We see the after effects of the teeth whitening.
Well, fantastic. Well, make sure you guys stay tuned for after the break.
Fashion.